Hello friends and welcome back to this session. Our first question here is, who authored the famous Sanskrit play? The famous Sanskrit play name is Mudra Rakshas. Mudra Rakshas, which details the ascent of Chandragupta Maurya to power. In this book, the mentioned Chandragupta Maurya's power. Option given here is, option A is Kalidas, option B Vishakdatta, option C Shudraka, or option D Banbhatta. So correct answer of the question is option number B, Vishakdatta is the correct answer, who wrote the book and play Mudra Rakshas. So Mudra Rakshas is the political drama that describes how Chanakya helped Chandragupta Maurya overthrow the Nanda dynasty. And now Kalidas. Kalidas was the Navratna of Chandragupta II. He was Navratna. He was the member of Navratna in the Chandragupta II, and he wrote famous Abhigyan Shakuntalam. He wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam and Meghdutt also. Meghdutt. And Shudraka was famous for his writing Mrich Katika. Mrich Katika. And Banbhatta was the poet of King Harshvardhana. Harshvardhana's poet was Banbhatta, and he wrote Harshcharita and Kadambari. He wrote Harshcharita and Kadambari also. Now we'll move to our next question. And our next question here is, the Montreux record is a register associated with which of the following international treaties? So we'll have to find the Montreux record. An option given here is, first one, option number A, Kyoto Protocol, B, Ramsar Convention, C, CITES, or D, Basel Convention. Now correct answer of the question is option number B, Ramsar Convention will be the correct answer. The Montreux record is registered with wetland site. It is registered with, the Montreux record is registered with wetland. Now if we talk about the Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty aimed at reducing greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas reducing protocol is Kyoto Protocol. Now CITES is focusing on international trade of endangered species. And Basel Convention is connected with hazardous wastes. It is connected with hazardous wastes. Right? Now we'll move to the next question. And our question here is, which of the following classical dancers is known as the Queen of Bharatanatyam and was instrumental in its global revival? So Bharatanatyam is a classical dance of which state? It is of Tamil Nadu state, right? Now we'll have to choose the name. The option here given is Birju Maharaj. Option number B is Bala Saraswati. Option C, Kelucharan Mohapatra. Option number D, Guru Bipin Singh. So very important question, and the correct answer of the question will be option number B, Bala Saraswati. Bala Saraswati is the correct answer of the question, and Bala Saraswati was the seventh generation representative of a traditional matrilineal family of temple musician. Now if we talk about the Birju Maharaj was a legendary of Kathak dance. He was a legendary of Kathak dance, and his gharana was Lucknow Kalka Bindadin Gharana. Lucknow Kalka Bindadin Gharana. Right? Very important. Bindadin Gharana. Now if we talk about Kelucharan Mohapatra, he was a famous Odissi dancer. Right? And Guru Bipin Singh is known as the father of Manipuri dancer. He is known as father of Manipuri Manipuri dance. Manipuri classical dance. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question here is, and the question here is, which of the following chemical is known as lunar caustic? Right? Option given here is silver nitrate, sodium hydroxide, option number C, calcium oxychloride, and option D, potassium nitrate. And the correct answer of the question is silver nitrate, option number A. Silver nitrate, we write AgNO3. AgNO3 is silver nitrate. History, earlier Luna was called as silver. It is also called voters ink. It is also called voters ink to prevent the double or multiple voting. We apply in the finger of a voter. Now if we talk about the sodium hydroxide NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide and it is commonly known as caustic soda. It is known as caustic soda. And now calcium oxychloride. So we write it as CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. And it is commonly known as bleaching powder. It is commonly known as bleaching powder. Our next question here is, who wrote the famous revolutionary book Bandi Jeevan, a life of captivity? The option given here is option number A, Bhagat Singh, B, Sachindranath Sanyal, option C, Barindra Kumar Ghosh, option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer of the question is option number B, Sachindranath Sanyal. He was also a co-founder of Hindustan Republic Association. He was the co-founder of Hindustan Republic Association, right? He was the co-founder of Hindustan Republic Association. And now famous Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was the writer of the book Why I Am an Atheist. He wrote the book Why I Am an Atheist. Now Barindra Kumar Ghosh. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, he wrote Pather Dabi. He wrote Pather Dabi. Now Subhash Chandra Bose, he wrote The Indian Struggle. He wrote The Indian Struggle. Now we'll move to the next question. The question here is, in biology, which of the following phyla includes the organism like snails, octopus, and squids? Option given here is Arthropoda, Annelida, Mollusca, or Echinodermata. Now first of all we look into the phyla. Phyla of animal kingdom, the major phyla are, first one is Porifera. It contains sponges. Now Cnidaria or Colentrata, it contains hydra, jellyfish type animals. And third one is Platyhelminthes, it contains flatworms. And fourth one is Nematoda, it contains a roundworm. Flatworm is Platyhelminthes, right worm is Nematoda. Now Annelida contains earthworm. Arthropoda contains insects and crustaceans. Mollusca contains snail, octopus type animal. Echinodermata, it is contains starfish. Now the last one is Chordata, it contains fish to human. Now for remembering this phyla, we can say poor cats played near a amazing magic elephant circus. Now first letter of the word, it is P for Porifera, and likewise first letter of the words is in the phyla. You can memorize by this trick. It is poor cats play near a amazing magic elephant circus. Now moving to our question part, and the correct answer of the question part will be snail, octopus contains in mollusca family, right? So option number C is right. Option number C is right. The largest phylum is Arthropoda. It is the largest phylum. Now we'll move to the next question. Which part of the human ear is responsible for maintaining Body balance, very important question. Please put a star mark on this question. This type of question is very common in today's examinations. The option here given is eardrum, that is also called tympanic membrane, B. cochlea, C. semicircular canals, or D. pinna. And the correct answer of the question is option number C, semicircular canals. So location of the semicircular canal is inner ear. It is located in the inner portion in the ear, and it has three fluid filled loops, and these loops are not for hearing. They detect the head rotation and help the brain maintain physical balance. So these semicircular canals is located in the inner portion in the ear, and they have three loops. They are not for hearing. They actually help us to balance the body. And what is pinna? Pinna. Pinna is a visible outer part of the ear that collects sound wave and directs them into ear. Hey fans, this ends for today. If the video is useful for you, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.